We're here today because we think it's important for kids to understand how much of our history and heritage is affected by science and the use of science and technology. We digitize our history, so a lot of our documentary history is being digitized right now, but also digital technologies play a great part of archaeology, for example. We scan the ground with ground penetrating radar, particularly burial sites. We don't like to disturb them, but we can see what's underground without disturbing the remains of people that have gone by. We also do scientific gritting and stuff as we excavate wherever we're excavating. So for example, these artifacts would have been excavated in a scientific manner. And then we also use 3D modeling so that people can see what they would have looked like. The 3D modeling helps you to see where the missing pieces are, but it also allows you to examine it even if you're a world away. So this is actually connecting to a site called Sketchfab, where the museum uploads artifacts as we scan them. So people from all over the world can examine these things. They can actually, this is a video we've taken of somebody doing it, but if you go to the site, you can manually manipulate it and do a closer examination. So lots of different ways that science is involved. We're working with the museum. Those exhibits down at the far end of the table, they're from our natural history collection. Our natural history gallery is the oldest one in the museum. It's got a number of dioramas. You can see what a coral reef looks like under the ocean. There's a diorama that tells you how Barbadians did longshore whaling. You can see animals which are now extinct in Barbados. So we've actually got a bit of taxidermy going on. So you can see what the Barbados raccoon looked like. You can see a mongoose without waiting for it to dart across the road. Lots of different galleries, lots of different artifacts. 500,000 of them, as a matter of fact. We also do student internships where students can come, get close up and personal. Conservation, we have internships in conservation, and conservation is quite a bit of biology and chemistry, because you've got to know what you can touch, what you can't touch, what's going to cause things to deteriorate, how to store them, what temperature to store them at. Is all actually quite scientific.